Hey guys, this is Eddie, and I wanted to talk about that backing plate. This is your backing plate, all right? This is that metal piece. See how this piece is bent right here? And look how close it is to the rotor up top. And that's what would make the scraping noise. Hear it. And then down here, see that thing? And that's what causes your noise. You got these nice gap back here. You know, there's plenty of room there, but you got no gap up here, and that's what causes noise. So check that out first, and hopefully that'll take care of your noise. Just put a screwdriver right on this and bend it out. See how flexible that plate is? That's why it can rub on the rotor so easily. This is where, you know, just taking off the wheel, this is where it probably hit and caused it to bend down. This is where the rotor was rubbing up against that backing plate. And as you can see, that's probably was making some scraping noises. All right, any questions or comments, leave them in the box below, and I'll answer them for you. Thanks. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe. If anybody has any products they'd like me to review, please send me a private message or email me. Thanks. Take care, guys.